viewers, welcome back to our channel. So we have learned the basics of option spreads, its types, and discovered how credit spread can help you manage the risk and collect premium on our previous video. But what if you could automate your strategy, optimize it, and test it in the real markets? In this video, we will guide you through building a powerful credit spread strategy using options basket. You will learn how to set indicators, define entry and exit points, and backtest your strategy with real market data. If you want to take your strategy to the next level with a fully customizable, rule-based approach to credit spreads, you don't want to miss this. So without any further delay, let's get into the video of creating a credit spread strategy. As usual, log in into QuantMan platform. Once you have logged in, go to Algo or Backtest page. For this strategy, I am going to backtest from April 1, 2019 till today. For the strategy, I am going to save this name as credit spread. And the instrument that I am going to use for trading is Nifty. In the indicators part, there will be a default current candle. I am going to delete that and add options basket. Now I am going to buy a put option of ATM and log the strike price at time of the day is about 9:16. So at this time, whatever strike price is there, the QuantMan will log the strike price. For this strategy, I am just going to use two indicators, which is SuperTrend and Pivot. So first, let's add SuperTrend. The reason for adding SuperTrend is that it helps to identify the trend direction clearly. So here I am going to keep my candle interval as 5 minutes and period as 10 and 2. In the fields, I will be mapping it to the options basket. The next indicator that I am going to add is pivot. The idea behind using pivot point is to determine the possible support and resistance zone. And in our case, it helps to identify if the price is trading below the key support levels before we are entering into a bearish position. And let the time frame be in day and category be in traditional. We are just going to change the field as combined premium basket. So the next indicator that I am going to add is current candle. The current candle will be in default of 5 minutes and it will be mapped in the spot chart. But now we are going to map it in the combined premium basket. With these indicators in place, we can now set up our entry and exit conditions. In entry condition, we are going to give current close is below SuperTrend. And another condition for a confirmation I am going to give as current close is below pivot S1. And for the exit condition I am going to give like current close crosses above SuperTrend. If my trend got reversed, then I will be exiting from my trade. Now we are going to instruct the QuantMan to execute a credit spread if my entry conditions are met. So here I am going to sell a put option of ITM2. And as it is a credit spread, I am going to buy a put option of OTM4. For this strategy, I am not going to give any stop loss or target. The only exit condition is my indicator based trend reversal exit. In QuantMan, we can give the trades up to 20 transactions. But for this, I am going to give us 3. So we have chosen in which instrument we have to take a trade and we have created a basket. With the 2 indicators, we have created an entry and exit conditions. Based on that, I am going to open a credit spread strategy. So everything has been set it up. So now we can just click submit to see our backtested results. So for this strategy, these are the results from April 1st, 2019 till today. So you can see the winning probability, the risk per trade and the maximum drawdown for these years. So our maximum loss is just 8,500. Now you can see all the heat maps over here and the transaction details over here. And that's it. And this is how you build a structured credit spread strategy using options basket in QuantMan. This strategy is designed to help you collect the premium with limited risk using indicators to time entries with precision and logic. It is not just a setup, it is a repeatable system you can test, refine and trade with confidence. So in this video, we have demonstrated a put credit spread strategy using the options basket feature. By applying the same conditions, you can also create a call credit spread strategy. To Together, these are complementary strategies, and by combining their backtests, we can check their combined performance. Now, you have learned how to build a credit spread strategy in QuantMan. You have got a solid starting point. Think of it like a template. From here, you can tweak the things like adding different indicators, different pivot zones, or even mix of different spreads to suit your own trading style. QuantMan gives you the tool to try new ideas and improve your strategy. If this gave you a clearer view of how to approach credit spread, like the video and subscribe to our channel. And drop a question on our comment section. We would love to hear from you. This video is for educational and trading purpose. Our motive is to make you a better trader. Thanks for watching and always happy trading.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.